Motiv ring, best of the best. This waterproof Motiv ring is a sleep and heart rate tracker for iOS devices. It can also count your steps, and calculates your calories. This 0.1 inches thick ring weighs less than a penny. Jakcom R3 NFC Smart Ring. This Jakcom Smart Ring is specially made for Android and Windows Phone users. It's made of germanium and can connect as an NFC card reader. It can also be used as a door lock or cell phone to unlock, pay or share information. Keydex NFC Multifunction Ring. This multifunction ring can be used to share information or unlock your phone. It is made from ceramics and is resistant to scratches. Super Titanium app-enabled smart ring. You can use this ring to communicate with your phone, listen to music, unlock your phone and etc. This smart ring doesn't need battery charging as the chips on the ring are equipped with a wireless module to convert the power to energy. Lycos Life NFC Smart Ring. This waterproof smart ring can connect with your phone to do some simple tasks such as unlocking your phone and provide wireless functions through NFC.